In this video, I'm going to show you how to bold text in Scribus. So there's actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both. The first one would be to select a font which is bold by default. So if I go and highlight over this text over here inside my text box, I go to Edit up top left and click on Edit Text with Story Editor. In here, I can change the font to something which is already bold by default. So for example, if I change to Arial Bold over here, I can just click on a check mark and I'm going to have it bold. Now, of course, you must select your text to be able to do this. In my case, I forgot to do it, of course, so make sure the text is selected in here and then change it to whatever you want, click on the check mark, and it's going to take effect. That's the first way to do it. However, there's also more ways. So if I add a new text box over here and if I type in sample text like this, I can also go and highlight over it, right click, and then click on content properties or press F3 on my keyboard. And from here you can see you can select your font, and then if a font supports the bold version of font, you can see here it says regular and there's going to be a drop down. Click on it and switch over to bold, or of course any other versions of bold like narrow bold italic, narrow bold, or bold italic. I'm going to do bold over here, and as you can see the text is going to become bold. So that's the best way to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.